Hey guys, welcome back to Noise Fest RC. Got a small unboxing to share with you guys. So I bought this because I've been wanting a radio transmitter that could replace most of my other transmitters. I'm tired of the other ones. I want something more sophisticated, I guess you can call it, or more reliable. So I went ahead and got this one, the FlySky FS-GT5 6-channel radio. Okay, I've heard or seen a lot of reviews on them, and they're all really good reviews. So I figured I'd get myself one and try it out. Replace it with my other transmitters. This one. So yeah, this has been in the works for a while. I've been wanting to do it for a while, and I just kept putting it off. I've been using the RTR radios all the time, but I finally went ahead and decided to pull the trigger on this one. This is the manual. Pretty cool. It gives you a description of all the buttons, what they mean, the channels. It's in Chinese. Maybe it's on English on the other side. There we go. So yeah. So here's the extra grip. I think this is the bigger grip. Nice styrofoam casing, packaging. Here's a receiver. Nice 6-channel receiver with a bind plug. And the actual radio. Let me get it out of the box. First thought, first impression, feels really well, really good in the hand. Triggers, feels good. Wheel, styrofoam wheel. Get these specs out of the way. Styrofoam wheel, spring retention, or spring tension, feels good. I'll be getting a LiPo for this. I think you can use a 2S LiPo battery. See if you got a GST connection for the actual LiPo. It's 4 AA's if you want to use AA's. It actually feels good. Feels quality. The antenna. So yeah, since it's a 6-channel radio, I can use it pretty much with all my crawlers, with LED lights and winch, everything can be connected to this. So you have steering, throttle. You got a channel 4 here. So this is 1, 2, 3. Here's another one. Here, right here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty cool. Got a nice display there. It's got this wheel, a rotary wheel. Every step you can feel the movement. Bind button, back. Yeah. So I'll probably be getting a different radio for my high-speed cars. From what I heard, the radio link 6-channel radio is supposed transmitter is supposedly very good in long range, long distance. This one is not as good as far as range, but I want this one for the crawlers and all that good stuff. Bashers, I guess you could, but I'm more leaning towards the crawlers. I got several crawlers, and I want to use them, especially for all the ones with the winches and the lights, so I can use all these different channels for the lights and the winch. But first impression, guys, this looks really good. Feels good in the hand. My hands are short, my thumbs are short, so I won't be able to use the one finger steering. But yeah, I think it's a winner. I really do. Can't wait to get it. I need to get some more receivers though. I already looked them up, and they're not that expensive. They're about 20 bucks maybe. Can't beat that. 6-channel radio for $20. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a good deal. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you think it's a good buy. Like I said, I've been seeing a lot of reviews of different radios, and this is one of the most common used radios out there, and reviews were like excellent. So I decided to just go ahead and get one myself. Anyhow guys, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.